President HSPDP uba KP Pangniang ulaong baga sarkar jela kariban phadro biang dakhawai pat ka Map Meghalaya khnang beki jaka badang kajia put kinya don lang hagate ka map habakren kilat pathai kubor haga hendreu terik uyayong araja ar uba Pangniang ulaong bakate ka jingdawa jong u kadi hadien balami ka jingkno bakum u President ula ajing tip ka babakla halor kate ka phang nalor kata ulaong ru ba ukwa ban pensyai bakat kum ki official map la ban ui ha ki jaka trikam jong ka sarkar lani ha Google map bagi ti ki jaka ka japut kim nan show ha ka map shwa kani da ka bapni artat ya ka map jong ka Meghalaya uba Pangniang ulaong ba usnem araja jipau ba udang long kumu MDC nakapati kilara bat persya teng ya ka te ka map ha ka jingalang ka balalong hanong stein tanggatta ulaong ru baha ka tega por kila tarru ya ka tega map rengkat ka jingdawa badi ban penbeit no ya ka mardor.
I'm happy for this opportunity through your media report to clarify one of the statement. See, one of the statement appears in the newspaper in the last 2 weeks. In Kasi, we read like this: ki khatartali ki jaka yakaja kimha kapo Meghalaya means 12 area of difference doesn't fall under the jurisdiction territory of Meghalaya. And I have seen some of the allegation reaction that Pangniang has made a false statement. So, to be brief, for the best interest of the people, I clearly clarify today that the such statement saying that 12 areas of difference does not fall under the Meghalaya jurisdiction is not my saying, but I am telling the truth, the fact, as per so many official map of Meghalaya, as I have briefed earlier, that we have 2 official maps at present in Meghalaya. One map, it includes all those areas of 12 sectors of differences, and the another official map that we can see in all governmental institutions. I see no more that all areas of difference, all sectors of difference being included in the official map of Meghalaya. So, today I clearly inform that as per the official map, you can see in so many governmental institution or administrative organization, or you can see everywhere, even in the, if you try to see the official map in the Google map, you will see that 12 areas of difference are no more in the map. So, it clearly stated that we as the HSPDP, more than 45 years, the journey of the party, we put in the demand for demarcation or for settlement of boundary. Tang bagani ta ka map pinyo ilut ya gani ka map to kani ka map with due respect pin la ban yo haki yo ki ha la ban yo haki nasabatay ka ma tang ba baro kini ki jakaya ka ja kum galang pi imron shu mo kum ka bor ka parang tum don shu baro kai kini ki jakaya ka ja kum ka mauta mur ka don shu baro kai kum don shu kani ka map mo na thai pi di bhai gani Tiya kani padaru pinpage menta haga Google pintang su klik e Google mon ong ba official map of Meghalaya tongle katamo nang bakan sai dai pinlap hang ne official map of Meghalaya mo pinlap ka duna gai page mo kini bar koi kini ki map pin yu i mo kini kinam don shu yagi kharat li ki jakaya kacha mo te halor kani ka map ke ga banga ko ban pensha ka long kani ke Hakasnem hajar shipau ngadang long MDC bahoping presiden yu dang ka konfenala da ka borom ka don bani hata ka por ngi raise mangi ya gani ka map baik kum khani ka kotru bar ko ki kot hang ni mo ki bom don shu ki khat di ki chakai ka cha ke gani ka map kemut kawei ka tu mene ka dang don ki chakai ka jang ni ka don shu tang bo officially hi ya gani ngi iba kam don shu hak plan kam tena kata ka daw ka parti hak aja shpong ya pasha ya kani da ka ba ngila penlong ke jingilang ka ba he po no stoin ka yo jersey untuk bat ngila tar ya kani ka map hak to ka por ban pen i ka jing protest ba kum ka parti kum no kin yo ya ka map ka ba don shu ki jakai ya ka ja barok ka atli te ka ba sungsi shu hak to ka por hak sem arjar khandai pat ka survey of India mo kabadai ka hoi ka Department of Science and Technology pin pe ja ka tu ka GSI map ru khang tu pin la you issue ya ki ja ka pin issue ka lang pin issue ka block 1 block 2 pin issue ka motamur pin issue ya ka thiga desmoria bar ka mi issue te ha ka tu ka por habangi ni persa ya kata ngila thaparu de jing tho sa ka sarkar